Hello guys, welcome to my channel Suam Chirarji Technical. There are many Apple phones in the market. One of the most popular phone is iPhone 11. Let's discuss it. Firstly, four new textured matte gloss finish and stainless steel design, 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display, and this iPhone 11 IP68 rating ensures the water resistance. Secondly, the new night mode delivers nature low light shot automatically, and the iPhone gives you Face ID, one of the most secure facial authentication methods in smartphone. Thirdly, fastest chip in the smartphone, A13 Bionic chip with neural engine and fast charge capable with 18-watt adapter. iPhone 11 provides you all-day battery life. Fourthly, the internal storage is up to 512 GB and its operating system is iOS 13, and warranty you are getting is for 1 year. Fifthly, short 4K video with extended dynamic range at 60 fps, capture 4 times more scene. Apple has given resolution as 2688 into 1242 pixel. Sixthly, Apple gives you triple 12 megapixel ultra wide 13mm, 26mm and telephoto 52mm cameras. The wide cameras provide 100% focus pixel and the optical image stabilization, and the telephoto cameras 2x optical zoom. Thank you for watching my video.